LWC, or Lightning Web Components, is a framework that was introduced by Salesforce in late 2018 and became generally available by early 2019. It is a modern Salesforce framework for building custom user interfaces on Salesforce platform using web standards like HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. It allows developers to create reusable UI components for web, mobile applications, and digital experiences, leveraging modern JavaScript features and concepts like custom elements, templates, and Shadow DOM. LWC is designed to be efficient, secure, and easier for web developers to learn because it uses familiar standards. In addition, Salesforce provides a vast library of pre-configured base components that can be used as building blocks for custom user experiences. A LWC component will typically have three core files. HTML file handles the UI, often combined with base components and out-of-the-box SLDS styling. JavaScript file contains the component logic and data processing. Here you can also import other JS modules or even import Apex methods for server-side logic. It also supports reactive data binding with properties, so when JavaScript variable changes, UI automatically updates. Metadata XML file defines its label, visibility, targets, and config properties. This helps identify the component, set guidelines on where it is available to add, and set its config properties. On top of that, you can also add a CSS file for custom styling. Importing external libraries is easy too. For instance, to add JS PDF library that generates PDFs, upload the JavaScript file as static resource, import the static resource within a LWC component, use the load script function to load the library when the component is rendered, finally call the function on a button click event to generate the PDF. Now let's talk about communication. Information can be passed from a parent to child component. To do this, use @API decorator followed by the property name within a child component. Then in the parent component, where the child component is defined, pass the information using the property name in kebab case. For child to parent communication, use custom events. To allow information to be passed between components that are not in a parent-child relationship, use the Lightning Message Service framework. This will fire the event with a payload from one component and is shared with any component that is listening to the event. This has been LWC in 100 seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Until then, be safe and take care. Peace.